Hello, teacher. Good evening. I'm going to talk about an event that happened to me this morning. I tried to use the phrasal verbs and the relative clause. Okay, so when I set off for study this morning, the bus that was in the bus stop when I was late to arrive at the university, so I ended up to taking a taxi. As soon as I got off, I bumped into my classmate, Juanito, and he told me that there weren't classes because Miss Lorena, who is our teacher, calmed down with cold. I had wasted in a taxi, but anyway, Juanito, who is a good classmate, invited me to eat out. After that meeting up with my friend Juanito, I went back to my house. And that's all. Thank you, teacher. Good evening. Have a good evening.